Section 2. Implementing Quality Matters General Standards in Canvas. Welcome back. In this section, we're diving deep into making your Canvas courses shine using the Quality Matters framework. Ready to get started? First up, let's tackle General Standard 1, Course Overview and Introduction. Think of this standard as the grand entrance to your course. It's all about making sure the overall design is crystal clear to your students right from the get-go. You know that first impression really counts. The course overview and introduction set the tone, let learners know what to expect, and provide the guidance they need to hit the ground running and succeed. What absolutely needs to be there? Let's break down the required elements. Visual, icon for Start Here or Play button. First, you need clear instructions on how to get started. No one likes feeling lost on the first day, right? Visual, icon for Map or Blueprint. Next, an introduction to the course purpose and structure. What's this course all about, and how is it laid out? Visual, icon for Speech Bubbles or Handshake. You'll also want to set etiquette expectations, we call this netiquette, for how everyone will interact respectfully online. Visual, icon for Professor or Contact Card. It's crucial to introduce yourself and provide your instructor's role and contact information. Let them know who you are and how to reach you. Visual, icon for Computer or Tools. Clearly state the minimum technical skills and technology requirements. What do they need to know, and what tech do they need to have? Visual, icon for Prerequisite Books or Stepping Stones. Make sure to outline any prerequisite knowledge needed for the course. Visual, icon for Gavel or Scroll, and finally, include your academic integrity policies. It's important to be upfront about this. You are probably thinking, how do we actually do this in Canvas? Let's get practical in the next audio recording.